Hey guys, welcome to my channel. Let's start eating.
Shit. Remember when she told you she was about the Benjamins? She fell in lust with your rims on your big body Benz. Girl, you gave it up so easy, you ain't even fooling him. If you did it then you probably do it again.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for joining me today. Today we have some fried chicken that was prepared by my husband with some French fries. It looks so delicious as what? Usual, we're hungry.
You know, you're always hungry.
Hungry. Okay, but before we go any further, I do want to show you guys my outfit of the day.
I like chocolate milk. I like chocolate milk. I like chocolate milk. I like chocolate milk. I like chocolate milk.
Black girls, where you at? Slim waist, ass fat. Black girls, where you at? Throw it back, make it clap.
I'm back. I hope you like my outfit of the day. I felt like triggering how Stella got her groove back.
On fleek. I see.
One of my favorite movies. Okay, so we're hungry. We're going to dig in. We do have some 2-time spicy sauce. We've never tried this before. We're actually going to try it with a different, with some green lip mussels sometime next week.
We'll do that one.
But we wanted to taste it. I have some Tabasco sauce here.
I do that.
Yeah, just regular Tabasco sauce. We have some sweet and sour sauce here. It's not from the Chinese store because the Chinese stores are closed. What kind of sauce do you have, honey?
And you know I got to do my ketchup. You know how it is. You know you got to make sure you shake it too. You know? It's a regular ketchup, you know.
Regular ketchup.
Oh, I should have bring the other ketchup. That's fine.
Oh, the Grace ketchup, right?
That's fine, yeah.
Oh,
we're good.
Okay, and then we have some Grace hot sauce.
Oh, I forgot about the Grace.
Grace hot sauce.
Don't
just
play
in
with
case.
this, Grace.
Honey,
Don't play with her.
Let me go get the I'm gonna pause and go get the other Grace ketchup.
Oh, it's fine.
You sure?
You want to do it?
Yeah, I'll pause it.
So go ahead.
Yeah. And I went and got the Grace ketchup for my sugar, and that's the Jamaican
Grace ketchup. You know, this one is nice and sweet.
Yeah.
I like this one.
It's a great ketchup. So without further ado.
Yeah, what you drinking though? You ain't get.
Oh, I'm just drinking some water.
You know, I gotta drink my Crush again. You know.
Another Crush. That's
peach
the peach
one.
flavor.
Yeah.
Yeah.
All right, can we start?
Yes. Can I have a napkin before?
Oh God. Come on.
Go ahead. Dig in. Oh my goodness. What is wrong with that dog?
You're not getting none.
So I'm starting off with a leg. Now this chicken, the legs, the wings is fried to perfection.
French fries, well done. That's how I like it. Crunchy and nice. Tastes good.
Delicious.
Fried good.
All right, guys. I'm gonna try it.
Go for it.
My daughter tried it and she said it is hot, and she only tried a little tiny bit, right?
Put a little bit on mine first.
Want to put a little bit? Whee! That's a lot.
Oh my gosh, she gave me a lot.
Oh, the sprout is not that small. It's like big. How it tastes? Hot.
Decent. But these wings is good though.
Tastes like chicken. On top of chicken, like a chicken sauce.
Yeah.
So this sauce is good, and
it is good.
I noticed that when you taste it at first, it tastes like you're eating chicken. I know I put it on chicken, but it does taste like chicken. And then you taste the spice, and it says hot chicken flavor, so you do taste the chicken flavor in this. It's really good.
Throw some more sauce on it.
We have a whole bunch of sauce. We love sauce.
Get ketchup on it. You know how it is.
That sauce is really good.
That tastes good.
I see why people eat it.
Wow, look. Beer dripping already. You ain't ketchup first, you the beer checker.
I'm sorry. We're devouring this chicken. So you want to tell them what happened yesterday, or you want to eat first? Let's eat some food first.
Let's eat some food first, guys.
Yeah, it's stressful.
It's real stressful. Wow. Fried to perfection. RFC. What does that
RFC. Richie Fried Chicken. No KFC here.
No KFC.
Richie Fried Chicken.
Richie Fried Chicken. That's First Lady. Oh, dripping though.
It's good.
Tastes good? You was hungry, huh?
I was in the kitchen watching him make this. And I was like, oh my gosh.
I can't wait.
I was so tempted to try one, but I said, no, I'm going to wait.
I know. If you try it,
You're going to want to eat more. So.
if we lying about this food, I'm flying. Wow. That's delicious. Perfect, huh? Wow. You alright?
What's your favorite part of the chicken, honey? I mean, I know it. I just want to tell them. I should know it.
Favorite part? Right between your shirt.
The breast.
You know,
What's your favorite part?
but the breast. But here what? If it's fried chicken, I'll eat any part. But I don't really like the drumstick. What's your favorite part?
The drumstick. My favorite part is the drumstick. My daughter's favorite part is the drumstick. He loves the breast. Well, she likes the drumstick and the wing. Same with me. And my son, he likes drumstick, wing. But he prefers wings. So.
It's good.
It's good. You know.
You want to try the French fries yet?
Oh yeah, I tried it. It's nice and crispy, just like we like it. I don't like a soggy fry.
Oh, I can hear that crunch. Come up here.
You know why I can't see it in camera?
He's slipping.
No. You know why I can't see it in the camera?
Right.
Because it's
Puffy.
no, it's not food. It's like a sauce. So it's like it blends in with the beard.
Got it. Beard helping.
Oh.
Ah.
This is a great time to show. Now, see, I can see it now.
See that?
This is a great time to show you guys how my husband prepared this delicious meal. What you got cooking today?
You know, we got the chicken wings, you know how we do already. And some drumstick. We call it, because you know we love the legs, you know?
Yep.
Thick legs for thick Percy. You know what I'm saying? So, you know, I already seasoned it yesterday, though.
Yeah, we seasoned it. Yeah, you seasoned it yesterday. Make it marinate.
Make it marinate, you know?
And we have the oil.
So now I got my special flour.
Yep.
Same.
That's what we're gonna eat today on my channel.
We'll eat it today on your channel.
Fried chicken. I'm not gonna have any French fries, but I think, honey, you'll have French fries.
I'll take a little bit.
Hubby take a little bit. French fries is for the kids, and the hubby will take a little bit, but I'm just gonna do chicken with some sauce. So stay tuned, guys, and watch us on the channel later on.
Yeah, RFC.
Sugar. So this is the chicken that's gonna be fried, and this is what's frying so far. Look how good that chicken looks. Come on, man. Come on, man. Come on. Look at that. Can't wait to eat. Yum, yum, yum. Chef Rich there in the building. All right, honey. So we have.
We're back.
We're back, guys. I hope you liked the video.
Oh yeah, I hope you liked the video. You know.
What would you say to somebody who's frying chicken and who's never like fried chicken before? Because I think fried chicken can be intimidating.
Yeah, if you don't know how to fry it, it would be very hard.
Yeah.
You gotta know the right temperature. We're gonna turn up and down. So you really don't want to put too much. If people fry with flour, you really don't want to put too much flour, because you know flour going to chicken, it makes it fry faster. You think the chicken is cooked. You gotta make sure it's cooked right. You know. So you have one of those. What's those things when you test the chicken? What do you call them?
A food thermometer.
Yeah. I already know about this stuff like that, but I know because I do it all the time.
Yeah, but you can tell when a chicken is fried.
Yeah.
I mean, we can.
Feel lighter.
It feels lighter. It's not as heavy. And when you what's the we call it juk. Wait, poke.
Poke it.
Okay, in Jamaica, when you juk the chicken, if you still see blood, obviously it's not cooked.
Drumstick taste good. Right, perfection. You know what I'm saying? You think it's a good time now to tell them what went down yesterday?
Guys,
Or you still want to eat some more?
I'm ready, but you know me. I can eat and chat.
They can just sip on my drink.
Family, let me tell you what happened. Yesterday, my husband prepared another great feast.
Really? Trust me. Trust me.
Very good. Another great feast. He made steamed fish. Okay? With potatoes, broccoli, Excelsior crackers, which is a Jamaican cracker that we put in fish and eat it with porridge and we eat it with, Milo, whatever. And onions.
Yeah. Everything.
And okra.
Everything to our liking.
And the fish was seasoned to perfection. I'm telling you.
Those were the catch of the day from Key West too, also.
Yep. We caught it in Key West. And we did a cook and eat video. My husband cooked it, I filmed it, and then we ate it. It was so good. And the video was great.
It was.
And everything came out great. I mean, it was a great freaking video.
Excellent video.
This is what happened. I sit down, all comfy, talking, excited to rewatch the video, because we get excited to rewatch it because we laugh at ourselves. You know,
bloopers.
Yeah, because we just being ourselves on camera. What you see is what you get.
Exactly.
And I press play. Sugar. I press play. And what happened?
No sound like this.
Not a sound.
Then we said, let's check if the phone is turned up. The hell, the phone turned up to the max. No sound.
Still no sound.
We look at each other like this.
It coming like
Oh my god.
those
really?
It's recording, honey, right?
Yeah.
Okay.
Recording.
It coming like, remember those Chinese movies back in the days where their mouth is moving and the sound didn't catch up yet, so they're like, and then you hear, "I will destroy you." We didn't even hear that. It was
But none of that.
none of that. Silence.
Be a silence. Oh god.
Silence.
That fish was so
It was so good.
But don't worry.
It was, honey.
We probably do it again. So good. If you've seen it. She did it. She watched me prepared it, cleaned it, fried it.
Oh gosh. I was so upset. I tried everything. I said, let me just come back to it. Maybe. And then it still was no sound.
No sound.
So I went ahead and I came in here.
Take a piece. I forgot to give you a piece.
You got to get in peace?
Yes.
It looks so good.
You can have a piece because I really eat drumstick, but you can have some. There you go.
My son overheard us talking about it. I came into the bedroom to see what could it have been. And I was so upset. He was like, just calm down. Maybe it just wasn't meant to be. I was like, just don't get too upset about it. And it was a great video, but You guys always do great videos.
Mm-hmm.
But it's just that the fish was so good. I
So
wanted you to
good.
see it.
I know.
So today, we tripled, quadrupled, checked to make sure that the microphone was plugged in with the right one, the right cord.
Even now we checking too.
We check all the time. Because I have a microphone plug, but it has two.
Yeah.
And I didn't realize that it mattered. I just put it in. And normally, I check. Watch yourself and watch your face. Watch your face.
Go on and chat first here.
But I just did it. I was like, But
it's alright.
it's okay.
Happened for a reason.
Mm-hmm.
So I mean, the next video gonna begin on point.
On point.
You alright over there?
Mm-hmm.
Sure?
Mm-hmm.
Okay.
It's my third pizza.
You're gonna be so much I got already. Yo, why you keep doing that, man?
For real.
You know how many people think me greedy, man? How much pizza? So much you give me?
I don't know. I just scattered it out.
No, first I can't do that.
I
to
did
me,
about
man.
3 legs, 3 wings, or 4 wings.
You can't do that to me, man.
My God. Mm-mm.
Family. I'm not greedy. I just eat a lot.
Oh,
Wow.
as you guys know, the leg is my favorite part.
And you gave me all your legs.
Oh, look right there.
1, 2.
This is my 3rd leg.
I brushed down. 2 my gun already, you know.
That's what I'm saying.
2 leg my gun already. But it's alright.
Wherever I saw the need to fill in chicken, that's where I filled it in at. And I'm not fast, so you're fast. You know fast enough.
I don't know where all the food going in. That's the problem.
That is the problem.
I don't know where all that food going. But it's all good. Food make for eating, that's all. How do they look?
Good.
Alright. On point.
I gotta start paying attention to that beard. But when you eating,
Yeah. When I'm eating, I devour. Here's some fire. Here we go. Beard checker on point.
I got you. So, do you guys like my hat?
I love it.
Thank you, honey.
Look like a snack.
Remind you. Excuse me, where you learn those words from?
From you? I want one spicy like you. Yeah, man. As I always said, this was worth it. Work the weight, work the time,
Excuse me.
work the cooking,
Worth
Breathing.
everything.
work everything. You know, when this done, now we're gonna quarantine again.
Watch a movie.
Watch a movie now. Enjoy the quarantine time. Yeah, right, so. Yeah, watch me yam. Go and watch me yam, man.
But I remember when I did a couple of videos that happened to me, but it wasn't with the sound. I lost a clip, like a very important clip that I wanted in the video. I lost that. If you guys have been here before, you know, you guys know because I explained in my other video a while back. Yeah. But guys, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. When you guys make comments, when you guys subscribe or share, the video gets around, you know. If you like the video, please share it. It doesn't, you know, cost anything. No. Just share the video so that
this one.
Yeah,
one that
hit
like
the thumbs up. Yeah, and then share the video with your friends and family. We would really appreciate it because that's how we get out there. You know, we do this for fun, so we do love sitting here eating and chatting.
You know I love yam. Yep. I'm here. I'm here for this.
Tom, you know, so we almost finished all the food already?
That too. Yo, First Lady, enough me yam, Right, cup.
This thing was full of chicken and fries. Well, some fries are still there.
So where did it go? Why you always tell me that all the time? This thing was always full. So where was I?
Right here.
I don't know. Where was I?
Right here.
No way.
Yes way.
No way, Jose. Because if I'm here, I didn't get none. Something is wrong.
That's what I'm saying.
Right, family? So if you said this was just food, so where did it go?
That's what I'm saying. Something is wrong with your belly.
It's still there.
It's good. Honey. It's fried
Decent.
perfectly. You can have that chicken.
You gonna tell me that?
I'm full.
You know I'm gonna take it anyway.
I know.
Or you
I
think
know.
I'll eat our minds? Boy, have that chicken. You think you think that's I keep asking you if you okay? You hear me?
It's,
As long as you give me the cue, no, I'm good.
you get the cue.
Okay, I'm going near my turn.
Mmm.
You finish or you done?
I'm almost finished.
All right, good. Good. Whoa!
There's a
You're gonna sneak out from me, man. Good food, you make your
good
belch.
food, make your belch.
That's what happens when you eating good food. You make you. This was
Family. We say family.
good. Yes, sir.
Oh,
Go and beat that winger right now.
we say family.
First, you know I got your back. Whatever you don't want,
You're gonna yam it.
I couldn't yam it. Exactly. Exactly what I said before. Decent.
We have a decent amount.
Yo, you're eating up to them, man. Show me a trick how you pull out the.
Hey, you know who taught me this? Well, not taught, but you know who I saw do this? And she explained it, eat with Q.
Oh. Oh, wow.
That's the one. And then that's a two.
Oh, wow. People like me, can't do that. Just eat. Just eat, isn't it? Oh, nice.
Yeah. Easy. And then she dip it. And she put her Tabasco sauce. This is how she eats it too. But at first I was like, I wonder how that would taste, but it tastes good. You're not even listening to me.
I'm listening to you, but I'm talking to your family. I'm just trying to say this is. This scrumptious. I'm listening to you. I'm listening and chopping my mouth. Okay. You eat the fries yet?
Two. I'm not a fry person. I'll eat one or two. It cleaves me.
I'm different. You make me look like I'm greedy, you know? Give me some other one, the hot sauce.
This one Tabasco or the?
No, the other one. The triple X. What you call it?
2 times spicy.
Alright, good.
Put a little bit of my last piece. Ooh.
Got a decent little kick to it. Decent.
You busting up?
Nope. Bus not run, First Lady. No bus not running now. Where's the bus? Can't bus, man. Bus stop running from long time, man. You're full, man.
Yeah. It was rough to wait though.
It was.
It was rough to wait.
Yeah, this tastes so good. It was worth it. As always.
I love water.
That's what I'm talking about.
You've been so full, you just want to sleep?
You already slept.
I'm not sleeping now because it's not good to eat food and then go sleep. You gain a lot of weight like that. So we're gonna go on the road and get the movie. Come back and watch the movie.
You don't know more French fries?
I'm a full man, you. I'm a full man. Not even know all you still on yam.
Mukbang may pinyam. Mukbang may pinyam. A mukbang is made to eat, right? And I'm eating. What do you want me to do? Don't eat?
What time that says, sugar?
16.
Oh, that's going good. Well, guys, as you can see, we've devoured this food. There's really nothing left.
Nothing left.
Nothing left. I want to thank you guys so much for joining us today. And remember, please like, share, and subscribe. Especially share the video so we can get it out there. And we appreciate you guys.
Sure do. Leave a comment down there too, telling her what dish you want her to make. Alright?
Yeah. That's a good idea, honey.
Okay.
Alright, guys. Like I always say, I know that there are millions of YouTubers out there, and I appreciate you taking the time to watch me.
You. Bye.
Yeah. Remember when she told you she was about the Benjamins? She fell in lust with your rims on your big body bends. Girl, you gave it up so easy, you ain't even fooling